Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty in school. We'll cover understanding your school's network, exploring ways to get around common blocks, and learning how to game without drawing attention. It's important to be aware of the rules and potential consequences, but we'll also look at some clever approaches to enjoy your favorite game during breaks. Let's dive in and explore the possibilities. School networks often block gaming sites and services. One common method is using a virtual private network, or VPN, to encrypt your internet traffic, making it harder for the school to detect. Another option is to use a mobile hotspot from your phone, providing a completely separate internet connection. Some schools might have specific gaming ports open, or you could try cloud gaming services that stream the game directly to your device, requiring less local processing power. Playing discreetly is key to avoiding issues. Choose times like lunch breaks or study hall when you have free time and less supervision. Always use headphones to keep game sounds private and prevent distracting classmates. Position your screen carefully, perhaps facing a wall, to avoid drawing attention. Keep your gaming sessions short, maybe 10 to 15 minutes, to minimize risk and ensure you stay focused on your schoolwork. If direct online play isn't feasible, consider playing offline versions or single-player campaigns of games. Mobile games are also a great alternative, often requiring less bandwidth and processing power. Remember, your primary focus at school should always be your education. Enjoy gaming responsibly, perhaps as a reward after completing your schoolwork. Always respect school rules to avoid any disciplinary consequences, and ensure a positive learning environment for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.